Let me give you 5 reasons why you'll never need to ship another food barrel to Jamaica. Our core mission is to deliver your packages the way FedEx, UPS or DHL does. However, we do it with an island twist. We allow you to shop from anywhere and we deliver those items to you here in Jamaica 75% cheaper than FedEx, UPS or DHL can. But you've asked us for even more. You said you want to be able to ship your bulkier grocery items without having to worry about the weight. You spoke, we listened. Let's look at those 5 reasons. Number 1, the direct costs associated with shipping a barrel can be very high. First, you'll have to pay $35 to get that empty barrel, $80 to have it shipped from the US to Jamaica, and I'm talking if you're in Florida. If you're in states like New York or New Jersey, you'll have to pay $110 for shipping. And if you're out west in places like California, let me not even mention that cost. When the barrel arrives here in Jamaica, there are even more charges. You'll have to pay the shipper an additional $30 for handling. You'll have to pay the wharf $20 for storage, and you'll pay a minimum of $100 for customs duty. And remember, you'll need to transport that barrel to your house. Add another $50 to that. That all comes up to a whopping $335 in direct cost. Number 2, let's look at the indirect cost. You'll have to buy plane ticket, find accommodation, pay for gas, spend time going up and down to different stores to get those items to put in the barrel. When it's time to pack that barrel, you're going to face a lot of stress and fatigue. Let us not even mention when the barrel arrives here in Jamaica. You'll need an entire day to go down to the wharf, to join long lines, to wait hours on top of hours just to pick up your barrel. The 3rd reason, you're going to find that you're going to buy items just as space fillers. You will go over budget because you don't want to send the barrel unless it is filled to the brim, right? So you're going to buy items that you don't really need. Number 4, you're going to find that a lot of the items in your barrel have a short shelf life. Yeah, you'll be forced to use them very quickly. That is also another form of wastage. And the number 5 reason why you no longer need to ship a food barrel to Jamaica is because you can now do it incrementally. Yes, with our flat rate food box, you can ship your items incrementally. Yes. Take for example our largest flat rate food box that holds up to a half a barrel. Yes, it only costs $199.95. One flat rate. Listen, we're about to save you a boatload of inconvenience, direct and indirect cost. How? We're partnering with Walmart.com, where you can now sit in the comfort of your sofa and order your bulkier grocery items. We go in store, pick them up for you and ship them straight to you here in Jamaica. Hey, they say Jamaica rough, but we're making it nice and smooth for you. Let us look at the benefits of our flat box features. 1, you pay no charge for us to go and pick up your items at Walmart. 2, you pay no charges for a barrel. 3, you pay no shipping charges. 4, you pay no customs duty. That sounds so good. Let me say it again. You pay 0 customs duty and you pay no delivery fees. Just one flat rate.